In the melodic minor scale, what we're thinking about here is we use this more for melodies than we do for building harmonies. Building harmonies with the melodic minor scale causes some even weirder problems than like that augmented chord that we just saw. So we mostly pull from the melodic minor scale to make a melody that flows a little bit better and really emphasizes the leading tone, the dominant 5 chord, and the tonic. So what we do is we raise the leading tone. So it, just like the harmonic minor, it has a leading tone, but the melodic minor also has a raised 6th. Now what does that do for us? What it kind of does is it keeps, you can kind of think of it like the first half of it is minor and the second half of it is major. That's kind of what it is. The reason that we would do this is that this leading tone pushes to tonic a whole bunch, but this gets rid of that big weird gap, that minor third interval. So remember, if this is just natural, what we have is this minor third gap here, and it gives us that kind of Phantom of the Opera sound, I called it. So by raising the 6th, we get rid of that interval, and it sounds a bit more smooth because the interval here is a whole step, because it was a half step. So all we did was raise it to a whole step. We didn't raise it to a minor third, which would be a big raise. So this kind of smooths out that big gap. Let's hear it. So you don't get that big gap this way. Now there's another little trick to the melodic minor scale that is just even weirder. Let me write this going down. So I'm going to go down the A minor scale. I'm just going to write a natural minor scale. Oops. Okay. Now here's what's weird about the melodic minor scale. When we use the melodic minor scale, typically we raise the 6th and 7th when we're going up, when we're ascending. When we're descending and having the scale go down, we keep those suckers natural, and we do them as the natural minor scale going down. Typically only raise the 6 and 7 when we're in an ascending line, a melody that goes up. If we're not going up, we do them as natural. It's so weird, right? It's just the weirdest thing. Like, why does the direction of the scale matter to what notes are in it? It's like quantum theory in a way. But it does. Because these leading tone properties leading to this A don't have the same effect when we're going down. We want them to still feel like a minor scale, right?